Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out. And we just created ourselves 3 demo accounts, and I will show you exactly how we can trade right here with a demo account. So first of all, what you need to know that if you want to create yourselves a demo account or a live account, you need to do that before trading. So otherwise you can trade. So right now I just created 3 demo accounts and I want to trade right now with 1 demo account. We select right here trade, select right here the MT5 web terminal. And then from here, he will automatically give my login for the broker trader. And then normally he will give you a sign or a pop-up where it says login and password. Fill in your login that you received in your mail, and then right there fill in your password. And then you will see the screen what we are seeing right now. Then what you need to know is if you want to trade for a symbol, you click always right here on search symbol. Then we can search right here for Forex. We can search right here for stocks. If you want to do that, we can search also right here for indices. And yeah, so you can search right here for what you want to trade. Now for an example, I want to use euro to US dollars because now I show you how to trade. If you want to create yourselves a position on the chart, we click right here on new order. Then you will get right here the volume, and now we need to fill in right here how much we want to buy. So we can scale up to 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, but this is a lot. So let's say we want to buy 1k, so we do 0.01. And then right now, if we click here on buy by market, we created ourselves a long position on the market. Then right now you see standing right here what we just bought. And if you want to close this trade or close this position, we click right here simply on the cross, and then he will close the trade. But be careful, once you enable the one-click trading, he will close your position not automatically, but directly. So yeah, be careful, because otherwise you close maybe too early or too late. So be careful of that. Then right now, what you also can do is if we go back to our order position, we can put a stop loss right here or a take profit on it. And this means that if he will hit this stop loss mark, that means that he will close the trade automatically. So when I'm not online or not checking the chart, he will close our trade and will stop our losses because he can't go lower. Now this works exactly the opposite for take profit. So when we put a take profit on it, it's not possible to go above that profit. No, we will close our position and we will get all the profit from the trades. So you can do this to do on risk management. Then after that, click here on buy again. And now we created ourselves also a position for this. Then you can also draw lines if you want to do this. So let's say we put this one horizontal line, and then you can put it right here on the chart if you want to do that. You can also change right here the time on the chart if you want to do that. And you can zoom out right there, zoom in. But these are the things that you need to know to trade right here on HFM. So I showed you in just 4 minutes the basics, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. I love also short videos with a lot of information, so I can do everything quick by myself. But keep in mind, if you're doing this with a live account, you're trading with real money, so be careful. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.